So in this video we are going to quickly recap the process of longshore drift. So to start with, you will need a beach, you will need your sea and ocean labelled. The first key term we are going to cover is prevailing wind. Now prevailing wind is the most common wind direction, so as long as the wind is blowing in that direction for a majority of the time in the year, it will be known as the prevailing wind. In the UK we have a southwesterly prevailing wind. Okay, again you will need another key term, supply of sediment. Now this sediment could be shingle or very fine particles of sand. We are going to look at how the sediment makes its way along the beach in the direction of longshore drift. So the sediment moves up the beach in the direction of the prevailing wind, and we call that process the swash. The sediment then moves its way back down the beach due to gravity, which pulls it back down the beach. We call this process backwash, and this process continues as it moves the sediment all the way along the beach. What you'll also find is the fact that as you move along the beach, the sediment will get smaller, more rounded, due to the processes of erosion, mainly attrition. Okay, so we're going to see it getting smaller, more rounded or less angular. So by the time you get to this end of the beach, you will see that there is a significant change in the sediment from one end to another. So to quickly recap, you will need prevailing wind, the most common wind direction, supply of sediment. The process by which the sediment moves up the beach in the direction of prevailing wind is called the swash. As it moves back down the beach, we call that the backwash, and then it zigzags its way down the beach, getting smaller, more rounded or less angular in the direction of longshore drift.